Hello everyone, welcome to Technical Solution. In this video, I will show you how to fix Windows Update problems step by step. If your updates are stuck, not installing, or showing any error, follow this video until the end, and your issue will be completely solved. I will show 4 processes. Let's get started. Process 1, Restart Windows Update Service. First, we will restart the Windows Update service. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard. Type services.msc in the Run box. Scroll down and find Windows Update. Now click on Restart. This refreshes the update service and fixes many common issues. Process 2, Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Now open Settings. Go to System. Scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Then click Other Troubleshooters. Find Windows Update and press Run. Windows will automatically scan and fix the error for you. Process 3, Use Command Prompt to repair system files. Search CMD in the Start menu. Right-click on Command Prompt and click Run as administrator. Type this command. Wait until the scan reaches 100%. Now type the second command. Let it complete fully. After this, restart your computer. Process 4, Clear Update Cache, SoftwareDistribution folder. Press Windows plus R, type services.msc. Open Windows Update and click Stop. Now open File Explorer. Go to C Drive. Open the Windows folder. Scroll down and open Software Distribution. Select all files inside and delete them. If some files ask for permission, click Skip. Now go back to the services.msc, open Windows Update again and click Start or Restart. This clears the corrupted update cache. And that's it. Your Windows Update problem should now be fixed. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Comment below and tell me which error you were facing. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.